Hello guys, you're welcome to Unique Design. Today I'm going to show you how to draw ground floor plan. And before you start, I just want to show you the 3D of the plan that you're going to produce. So now this is the 3D of the plan, and this is the 2D. So let's start. You just pick a line and draw anything like L shape. So you're going to offset this line to our right side by 1500. But before you offset this line 1500, you are supposed to add 150 to it, and that 150 is the wall thickness, as you can see. Now this is 1500, and the 1500 is the inside dimensions. So if you want it to be exact 1500, you are supposed to add the thickness of the walls, and that's 150. You are using a wall thickness of 150, which is 6 inches. So 150 plus 1500 is 1650. So you are going to offset it 1650. So this is 1650. The same time, you are going to offset this vertical line to my right side again, 3000, and the 3000 you add 150 to making what? 3150. Now you're going to offset this line to my right side again, which is 3900, and 3900 you add 150 to it is making what? 4050. So you offset 4050. As you can see, the first line is the point, the second one is the living area, and the third one is the bedroom. So now we are going to offset what? The bathroom. So you are going to offset it from our right side to what? The left side. And the inside dimension is 2400. So 2400 you add 150 to it, making 2550. So you offset 2550. Now you are going to offset this horizontal line down, and horizontal line here, the dimension is 900, but we are not going to offset what? 900. You understand? We are going to offset 750. So if you offset the 750, this thickness, that's the wall thickness of this what? Of this what? Inside line, which is the grid line here, is going to be what? 900. You understand? So you are going to offset it here, which is 750. So after you apply the walls from here to here is going to be what? 900. So you are going to offset what? 750. Yes, those are 750. And you are going to offset from here to here 3900. And 3900 you add 150 to it, making 4050. So you offset 4050. After you are done offsetting the 4050, you are going to offset this one again by what? 3000, and that 3000 you add 150 to it, making 3150. As you can see here, the inside dimensions is what? 3000. So if you add 150 to it, it's going to be 3150. So you offset 3150. As you can see. Now we need to extend somewhat lines. We are going to extend these two lines to touch what? This. So just extend. Now you need to offset this line down, and we are going to offset it 750, and as you can see 750, but the dimension here is what 675. The reason why it's 675 because if you offset from here to here 750, when you are done, you are going to take this one off, and it's going to left what here. So this, there will be what 750 from 8. We are going to offset this line here 750, and that line is going to be the shape of the wardrobe. So let's key in offset 750. Now you are done with the offsetting, and you are done with what our plan. So you need to trim some lines to get the exact shape of the plan. So you don't need this place, you trim this side too as well, you trim this part. I'm going to trim this, you trim this, you trim this, you trim this. Yeah, you don't need it, you trim, and you're going. So now you don't need this place too as well, you trim. So now this is the shape of the plan, as you can see. So you are going to apply walls to it. You just left click and drag it here to select all, and type wall. As you can see here, convert, you convert. Or wall, erase what? Layout what? Geometry. No, you are not going to erase it, because you are going to use these lines to do what? Our grid lines. You understand? So you are supposed to click no. So these are the walls. And let's go here, the settings, you check. The rate of the wall is what? 240. And you are using what? 150 watt rate or thickness. So you change this one and type in 150. And this is the base height. The base height, it means the height of the wall that you want, or the room height, the exact what room height that you want. You type here. So let's use what? 3000, because you just want our room height to be 3000. So you are just using what? 3000. So you just press what? Escape when you are done. As you can see, now we've gotten the shape. So let's show what our line weight. So after you turn on your line what weight, as you can see the walls is the thickness of the wall is different, or you understand, it's different from what the line, because it's just a settings and you can change it what anytime. So per the plan, here there's no wall because you don't need it, you understand. So you are going to take this wall off, you delete it, and as you can see there's a place here, so that a plant yard here. So you are going to draw that plant what yard. So you can, by using what rectangle, and this what our plant yard. You see the plan that here is what open, so it means that you need to what trim that side. Okay, so you are going to trim this part because you don't need it. You are done. As you see, there is no wall here, so you are going to trim that part too. You trim this part, and you trim this part too as well. So now this is the shape of the building, or this is the shape that you want. As you can see, if you see the 3D, as you can see, this is the plant yard, and if you go back to the plan, this is the plant yard. So thank you guys, we are done for today, and we are going to continue next time. Please don't forget to subscribe and share.